Henry, so far, officiating the performance of our referees, FNO, more comment on anything so far.
It is a major concern for all of us. When our referees are doing well, we are happy. Recently, China, of course, or Algeria, the assistant referee, Kwesi Bobea Champion, was assistant referee 1, third place match at Niger. Is it Ivory Coast? Niger and Cameroon.
Cameroon.
Yes. And on the final day, when Algeria played Senegal, Daniel Lai was the VAR assistant referee. I think that we need more of this, to be very honest. We need more of this. I mean, there were 6 FIFA referees. There were Krumah, Charles Bulu, Papala, Kwesi Bobea Champion, assistant, Daniel Lai, Emiliosi and Kayano. But the truth is that when your referees perform consistently, it helps in the development of the game. But mistakes, and that is where our concern is. Yes, sometimes the mistakes are genuine. Sometimes the mistakes are not genuine. And the match review panel will continuously review the performance of our referees, either through a complaint or through their own thinking. They will try as much as possible to correct the wrongs. And as an FA, we know there are challenges. There are no challenges. There are no challenges. Then you are not being honest enough.
Yeah.
And you don't also have the progress of the game at heart. Say there are challenges. Say referees need to be more form. We have done a lot to improve the performance of the quality of our referees. Me economy, you see our first round, we have to put them together and train them again. Use their own game, review their performance, show them their mistakes for them to correct those mistakes. But in an institution, mistakes are bound to happen. Yes, we agree there are challenges. We agree that we have a long way to go. We agree that referees has to improve. And so they are continuously building on their capacity. Continuously, on mistakes, then they are corrected. They invest a lot in equipment. Recently, I'm sure you are aware on communication gadgets are enhancing on the performance in games. So far, we have bought over close to 50 communication gadgets for our referees. But it is not the end. Even in advanced countries, still there are mistakes. At the recent World Cup in Qatar, mistakes are referees need to be but repeated on every match there, then it calls for us to do something about it. Indeed, the referees committee, the referees manager are very much aware of these challenges, and I am sure that moving to one or more, we try as much as possible to get the best of referees to officiate our Premier League matches.